Next up, a radio silence for Handshake. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to find the isolated house in the something part of town and neutralize the equipment within. Alright, so making our way towards this building, you'll see this one here. It has 2 stories. This is the one that we need to get inside of. I think I marked that previously. It's this one right here in the part of the town here. So underneath the left arm of the T-shaped road. Inside of here, you'll find some enemy resistance. And after clearing 2 guards, that seems to be about it really for here. So we'll open the door and make our way upstairs. With one more waiting upstairs, you should see in one of these rooms, besides some loot boxes, we should have this door here, which leads into this room with a bunch of stuff here. This computer and equipment is what we need to neutralize, so hold left to smash it, and just like that, we've now finished this part of the mission. All we need to do now is return back. Now we can hand back the quest for Handshake. That's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.